women after giving birth, and those who have expired military service, people who are new to one working industry or have just switched jobs, and people working in rural, remote mountainous and island areas. Almost working people currently do not have a priority conditions for learning, lack of time conditions, have a prioritized money for living expenses, do not have enough learning motivation, might also lose the orientation for career path. That's what drives Gitiho, an Edtech company, to build an e-learning platform. Our target customers are office workers and businesses which has demand to train employees. After 2 years of establishment and development, we now have trust that our digital transformation solution could solve the problem our social facing. Gitiho brings equal competitive opportunity to employees and businesses in the labor market and competitive market, eliminating the gap in learning and development conditions such as region, gender, age, improve quality of life and SME competitiveness through training. With the products, Gitiho currently has more than 81,000 people to have better advanced skill and 92 enterprises to improve enterprise capacity. Our website, the main connection between Gitiho and users, reaches over 6 billion website visits. As you can see, this is Mr. Mike. He is 60 years old. He is the planning position of FDI company. After he finishes 11 courses in Gitiho, these courses are SQL, PBI and Canva design, he can make smarter and more beautiful reporting dashboard. From a flagging startup, thanks to internal training platform, Gitiho has successfully transformed the capacity of the staff. After 6 months, from 10% junior staff and 30% fresher staff, now we have 10% higher senior, 30% lower senior, and 30% junior. Therefore, we could strengthen the team, excellently accomplish the set goals. Those are typical real stories among Gitiho users. In order to bring more value to our social, we designed to bring this learning opportunity to 1 million businesses and 50 million individual users in Southeast Asia. Our team general objectives in next 3 years are: firstly, we will increase 100 times the current number of courses, reaching the target of 3,000 courses. Secondly, completing Gitiho system to become the platform can accommodate all office works in Southeast Asia. The last one, building a training ecosystem, linking B2C and B2B, connecting office workers with businesses through training. To achieve that mission, we are building a strong team in that all people are serious at education. Gitiho has about 45 employees divided into departments: product, IT, marketing, sales, CS accounting, human resources. The Gitiho BDO team has fully capable and knowledgeable, has a long-term vision with the goal of making a positive impact on society and people through education. About the financial status, our revenue in 2020 is 2.4 billion Vietnam dong, but in 2021, we got 28 billion Vietnam dong. Accumulated loss for 2 years is 750 million Vietnam dong. In the next 3 years, we plan to raise capital to 100 billion. Target revenue in 2022 is 58 billion. The arranged target revenue growth per year is 105% and EBIT is 6%. About Gitiho business model with e-learning, Gitiho.com. Learner can apply directly to Gitiho with its course. They could buy only one time to learn it and support it for life. With training solution for enterprises, Gitiho for leading business, Gitiho's paid users can be learners or biz owner. Biz owner can create an internal training system with full content and exam for each position and level in just one click. In the next 10 years, we aim for a number 50 million learners and 1 million business customers. We want to have impact on learning of office worker in Southeast Asia. To do this faster and more successful, Gitiho needs your support. Join us to make a wonderful impact on education for our society.